Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Core Python. In this today video, we'll see how we can install Docker in one of our VM. For the time being, I'm using a Rocky Linux, but the step for the another Linux distro will be almost same. For the Rocky Linux installation step, I will make sure I will attach in the description so it will be easy for you to copy paste. So let's just see. So this is my container instance. In there, I just created a LXC container with the name video VM. I already turned it on. Let me just open up the terminal. So we'll do a SSH 192.1.79. So we are already there in that. So first of all, we'll install yum utils. For that, the command will be this: yum install yum hyphen utils. Once done, we need to add the repo to this. So we'll use this command. After that, we'll install all the important component of the Docker. So all the Docker packages are installed. Now we need to run systemctl start Docker. So we are just starting the Docker service. Once done, we'll also make sure that we enable so that whenever the system reboot or boot up, it makes sure that it start the Docker service. Now we'll see what is the status of the Docker service. So as we can see here, the Docker service is active and running. Now let's just create a test container to check. So we'll run Docker. First of all, we'll check the version. After that, we'll also run a test. So you can see here, this is the Docker version that got installed in our system. Now we'll run Docker run hello world. So it just checked the image locally, but as this is just a fresh installation, the image is not present in the local repo. So it just fetched from the internet, and here we have it. Hello from Docker. This message shows that installation appears to be working correctly. So this all about this video. In the upcoming video, I will create more about discussing more about the Docker component. We'll discuss about other application that we can use in home lab. So the most of the video will we use the Docker itself. So this is just an initial video that will help us in those upcoming videos to understand. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt or something, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, I'm open to hear any suggestion from you. If you need any further help or assistance, please let me know on the Twitter. I will be more than happy to assist you. Till the next video, peace.